Hello and welcome. We are very excited to see that you are interested in our product. Let me tell you about Aheeva Flex, the all-new AI-fueled Omnichannel agent workspace. Aheeva Flex is browser-based, with no installation required for agents or supervisors. Agents have access to two real-time views, queue monitoring and work items. The work items view focuses on digital conversations, showing agents their assigned chats and urgent messages. Queue monitoring displays live call queues, virtual holds, and digital queues like chat and social media, all alongside the list of available agents across channels. On the left, the profile panel shows agent details, team name, skills, and a chart of time spent in different states. At the top, the performance metrics bar offers real-time stats and team benchmarks for daily productivity. And with a single click, the quick status button lets agents update their availability instantly. When a call is routed to an agent, the workspace switches to the Unified Interactions page. The call appears front and center with all the essential controls, mute, hold, and secure payment mode, easily accessible at the top right. Below, the contact panel displays caller info and any IVR or routing data, like case numbers, account IDs, or database lookups. At the heart of the workspace are powerful tabs. Customer Profile shows contact info, social accounts, and any custom fields. New profiles can be created or merged instantly. Customer Journey, a full timeline of past interactions across all channels. Agents can click into any interaction for fast context. Case Manager, open or link cases, add notes, and group-related interactions for seamless follow-up. Call URL, launches an embedded CRM or external app, auto-filled with customer info. AI Assist provides live transcription, detects sentiment and intent, and suggests next best actions. After the call, AI Assist generates a structured wrap-up with a recap, the issue, and resolution. When handling digital channels like web chat or WhatsApp, agents have access to AI reply tools. These tools help them draft responses, improve replies, fix grammar and spelling instantly, and even translate messages in real time. All designed to support quick, polished, and professional replies across every conversation. With Aheeva Flex, every call and digital interaction equips your agents with the customer's full story, intelligent assistance, and tools that just work, empowering your team to turn every interaction into a smile. To learn more, please visit us at aheeva.com or reach out anytime at info@aheeva.com. We'd love to hear from you.